What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and today I'm going over the conversation plan with $25 1 Up and how you can make $500 a day. As you see the title, and my board is not the best board, but guys, hopefully you get the picture. And what I'm gonna write in these triangles is the different levels you can start at. I'm not gonna talk about what's in the levels in this video. If you want to know what's inside the levels, check out a video inside of my channel, guys. But this video is basically how you can make $500 a day and how you can generate income. So let's talk about the levels. The first level you can start with, guys, is the $25 level, which is the gold level. And then you have the $100 level, which is the platinum level. And then you have the $250 level, which is the enterprise level, guys. I meant the diamond level, I'm sorry, the diamond level. And then you have the $500 level, which is the enterprise. And then you have the $1,000 level. Oh, I can't get my, all right, y'all see that. And that is the elite level. So you got the gold, platinum, diamond, enterprise, and elite. All right. Now all of these guys are one-time fees. A lot of people, they think it costs money, a lot of money to start up businesses, and they think, you have to keep. A lot of these opportunities, you do have to keep recurring bills. You have to keep paying every month. You have to keep paying every year, or a fee out of your profit or anything in that nature. But this is a one-time fee, guys. No monthly fees whatsoever. Once you buy the product, it's yours for a lifetime. You can earn unlimited, yes, unlimited amounts of money off of one product. Now, a physical product, you have to refilling it up. You can only sell it to one person, at a time. You can't just split it between two people, because guess what? It's one product. It's one physical product. But with these digital products, you can buy it one time and sell it multiple times over and over and over to different people and don't run out of it, because guess what? It's digital. And another thing about this opportunity is you get 100% of the commission. 100%. A lot of these other opportunities, like I said, I'm a part of different network opportunities, and this is the only one where I get 100% of the commission. That's why I like this one the best. You get 100% of the commission. You don't have to split it with the company. You don't have to do any of the, the monthly fees once again. And all of the profit just basically comes to you. So it's a one-time fee of $10 to get the whole system active, okay? So let's do that. It's a $10 hosting fee. So got a $10 hosting fee just to get everything active. And then you buy your product. So a lot of people come off and start with the gold and the platinum. Gold and platinum. That's a one-time fee of $135, and you're eligible to earn unlimited $125, guys. So with that being said, you get 100% of the commissions. But let me break it down to you. Let's say you only want to join at the gold level. You don't have enough to join at the $100 level. So if you join here, this is you, and it's all the people down here who want to join your business. Guess what? It's 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25. All goes to you. You up here at the top. This is you. And all of these people down here want to join your business. You get 100% of the commission. So let me make it. So over here at the gold level, you get 100% of $25. Alright. And my handwriting is not the best. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I don't know if it's the marker of my handwriting. Alright, so let's say you start at the platinum level. This is you. This is your business. I mean, the people asking for more info, the people that's joining you, it's 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. Guess what? You getting paid 100% of $100. That's not bad. It's not bad, guys. 10 signups is $1,000 for that day. It's instant commission. It's instant pay. You don't have to wait to use it. You can use the money the same day you start. You can get paid the same day you start. So let's say you only at the gold level, right? And then one of these people over here who's under you, they want to come over here to the $100 level. Guess what? That commission, this $100 commission, is gonna get passed up above you. It's gonna get passed up to your sponsor. So if I'm your sponsor and you're only at the $25 level, I am going to get your $100 commission. I don't want your commission, guys. That's why I'm preaching on, you know, at least going up to the platinum level, because a lot of people come in at both because of the bigger commission they could earn. $25 is not bad at all. So if you only have enough to start at $25, use that money, use your profit that you make to level up. But I just have to tell you, if somebody decides to join you under you at the platinum level and you're only at the gold, that commission get passed up above you. Okay? So next thing is the $250 level. Alright, it's you, it's your business. People asking for more info. You get all of these commissions. All of it come to you. All of it come to you. So that's 100% of $250. Alright. Same thing with the $500 level, guys. It's you. People ask for more info. Woo, 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 woo. Just imagine you waking up to $100 payments. You know, $250 payments. It's just amazing. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, let me ask you a question. What would it take for you right now to get at least $1,000 out of your job that you're currently at? How much work would it take for you to get an extra $1,000? All of this is on autopilot. The system does the telling, the selling, the following up. It does everything for you. So, next to the $1,000 level, you boop, 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 boop. Now, all of these commissions come to you. Another thing I want to say, guys, is when you are doing these levels, the more you go up, the less you have to work. If you take a look at it, because $25, 5 people, guess what? That's not only, but that's $100 that day. That's not bad at all if that's your goal. But my potential goal is always to at least make $1,000 a day. And it's going to be hard to hit that mark at the gold level. But if you use that money to save it, then, you know, upgrade, then you could get 100% commissions off the 100. And then 10 signups is $1,000 in your pocket the same day. 5 signups, $500, guys. You don't really have to put in a lot of work once you at least get to the platinum level. Now the diamond level, you can get 2 signups. That's $500, guys, and you can be done for the day. Most people don't even make $500 a week at their job, or every 2 weeks. Because I remember when I was working at my fast food job, guys, I was making about, 3 something every 2 weeks, but I made it stretch and made it work. But you got to understand, $500 in one day, you got 7 days out the week. $1,000 level, all you need is 1 sign up for that day. 1 sign up, and you really good for the week. But you have to keep going. Don't just let that be, you know, your ending point. You want to keep going, set a legacy, keep going, make more money to where you never have to work again, guys. A 9 to 5 will not make you rich. It will not. They take taxes out of your check every time you get paid. You gotta, it's just different things. You gotta put gas in your car. You gotta pay for lunch. Like, that's a lot of money coming out your pocket. One-time fees, that's it. It puts money into your pocket instead of taking money out of your pocket, guys. So, this the compensation plan. Gold level, 100% commissions off of 25. Platinum level, 100% commissions off of 100. Diamond level, 100% commissions off of 250. Enterprise, 100% commissions off of 500. And of course, the elite is a one-time fee of $1,000. You might be looking like, well, who gonna pay $1,000? Guys, once you make money in general and upgrade, and you finally get to $1,000, you will understand that it's people out here that will spend money for courses, money for systems, money to make more money. You have to connect with like-minded people. And you might say to yourself, well, what if I don't want to bother with family and friends? Guys, it's a way to get around all of that. I show my team exactly how to run ads and everything to their capture pages, which generate this type of income. It's simple. You don't have to bother with family and friends if you don't want to. Because I know a lot of people that I know, they're not into network marketing. So I know how to target an audience and make this type of income. You can do the same thing, guys. So go ahead, man. It will be a link below the button to go ahead and create your account. Start off with at least the gold and the platinum. And if you don't have enough of the platinum, get in at the gold while you can. Generate that 100% commission off of 25 and upgrade. And then, guys, just come in and crush it. You get training, you get marketing tools, done for you websites, and I even give you bonuses once you upgrade to the platinum level. You get a 30-minute phone call or a video chat, answer any questions you may have, set up something for you, and that's basically it. So, once again, if y'all like this content, make sure y'all like and subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so y'all be the first to know when I upload a video on how to make some more money. Other than that, I'm out.